students. My today's topic is on number system. Number system is a very important in computers, in digital system. So number system are mainly 3-4 types. We should understand the number system. Number system is a technique to work on different types of numbers. The most important thing in the number system is how to convert number system to other number system. There is 4 type number system: binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Number 1 is binary number system. Binary number system which contains two values 0 and 1, two digits 0 and 1. Decimal number system which contains 0 to 9, it means 10, and numbers hexadecimal 0 to 16, and octal number system 0 to 7, it means 8. So binary number system contains two numbers, its base is 2. So its base is 2. Base, it means how many number is in this system. So binary number system contains 2. We know only these terms, which is important in 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th standard students. That's why you have enough to know about these things. So base, you could understand what is base. Base, it means how many numbers are there. 0 and 1. 0 and 1, it means true and false. Now the second system is decimal number system. The decimal number system contains 10 numbers which is from 0 to 9. It means that it has 10 numbers, so its base is 10. So decimal numbers mainly we use in mathematics also. All the numbers started to construct 0 to 9. So here it is called decimal number. Decimal number system base is 10. The other number is octal number system. Octal number system, it means that there is 8 numbers in this system, 0 to 7. 0 to 7 we will take 8 numbers, its base is 8. So it is octal number system. Next we will show the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system is a system which contains 16 numbers in this system. 0 to 15 numbers. Here is after 10 we will read like here is in hexadecimal number system 10, 11, 12, 13. So we will 13, 14, 15. So we will read A, B, C, D, E, F. So here is the number 0 to 9. We will take the number 0 to 9. After that 10. After 10 we will read A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. E, E. A, B, C, D, E. 15 numbers we know. A, B, C, D, E. So after that we will take 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So A, B, C, D, E, F. We will take alphabets after 10 in hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system in this section we should understand how to convert the hexadecimal number to octal number, binary number system and other number system. The conversion from AND to binary, octal and hexadecimal plays an important part in digital computer. Since 2 की power 3 is equal to 8 and 2 की power 4 is equal to 16, each octal digital corresponds to 3 binary digits and each hexadecimal digit corresponds to 4 binary digits. The conversion from binary to octal is easily accomplished by partitioning the binary number into group of 3 digits each. starting from the binary point and assigned to each group. The following example illustrate the procedure. Here is digit is 1011000110111. So if we are going to change in a octal number, then we will make three pair of 3, and if we are going to make hexadecimal number, then we will make pairs of 4. So conversion from binary to hexadecimal is similar, is except that the binary number is divided into group of 4 digits. The correspond hexadecimal, here is the conversion of decimal to binary number, which is very easy and you people can easily understand. So this is the method to how to change the binary to octal numbers, binary to decimal to binary number system. If here is decimal in this section, decimal numbers, decimal, if we take in decimal places, then we will start from 0, left to right, right to left. This station will be take here this 10100. So we will do like this. We take 0 into 2 की power 0, 0 into 2 की power 1, 0 into 1 की 1 into 0 की power this section. So I hope you can easily understand the binary number system and conversion of the number system. If you like, you subscribe my channel and give comments. If any query, then you can ask through the comment box. Thank you.